you guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop. So today I'm gonna be back testing supply and demand on other pairs that I don't trade, just to see how this strategy works. So I'm just gonna pick some random pairs. Let's try NZD USD. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on sessions. You know, I only trade New York session, so let's see. Let's go back, just pick a random date. Let's make this small, and we're gonna press replay mode. So just a random date, replay. All right, let's make it big so we can see what's going on. All right, so let's mark this thing up here. So what's this day of the week? Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday. Let's go. So this is a level here that I can see clearly. Support, turn, resistance. Let's extend it left and right all the way. This is another level. Just drawing up our levels before we get into supply and demand. Okay. All right. So I guess these are the major 1 hour levels that I can visibly see, okay, that the market reacts to. You see that? Clear as day. All right. So right now we're in a downtrend. As you can see, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So now potentially I'm looking for what? A lower low, but somewhere in this area. So let's see here. This is the 1 hour time frame. We trade on the 5 minute. 5 minute. All right, so what time is this? All right, this is New York session. Let's see what already happened. All right, so this right here was a break of structure. All right, the last up candle before it broke structure is going to be our supply zone. Okay, so basically this right here wouldn't be here after it broke structure right here. Let me show you. After structure was broken right here, after this structure was broken, we would be waiting for the market to retest this supply zone, which it did clearly right here. Our entry point for this short position would have been right below this the break of this first bullish candle. Okay, our stop loss would have been here. Take profit, we're aiming for, let's see, this here point right here, this low. That's what we'll be aiming for. Boom, hit it, clear as day. So let's check off Tuesday. Tuesday would have been a win. Okay, all right, let's go. Wait a minute, it reset. Oh my god, what happened? Whoa, wow, that is insane. Anyway, we would know Tuesday trade won. Oh my god. All right. Oh, I guess when we changed it to the 5 minute chart, it reset, but that's okay, whatever. All right, so this is January 31st. All right, let's go to Monday. Start the week off. Let's see. January 30th. Let's start the week off. Let's see if we could have got a setup on NZD USD on Monday, January 30th. All right, so let's see here. Yep, perfect. Supply right here. Clearly. That's a supply area. Broke structure. We waiting for the market. The market broke structure here. Waiting for the market to retest. Boom. It did. We would have got in. Short position right below this last bearish candle. Put our stop loss right there. We would have been aiming for this area right here. Okay, took some time to get there, but it did. All day it took, but it did. All right, so look, let me show you how this same area here also showed a demand right here, clearly, right there. This is demand. Let's mark it up, and let me show you how it's demand. You can have a supply and demand zone right there forming together. Okay, so boom, the market went up, broke structure, came back down, broke structure again right here, broke structure, went up, wait for the market to retest this demand zone, which it did right here. You would have got in after the break of this last bearish candle, which is right there. Stop loss right below. Aiming for, would have been aiming for this zone right here, but guess what? It didn't hit it. This zone right here. This zone right here. It never went up. It never went up there. Okay, so with this trade, you would have got, let's say, if you would have got out right there at this supply. See, look, this can go either way. So you can aim for the supply zone or aim for the last high, which is up here. So with this one, you had to aim for the supply zone and get out for how many pips? 22 pips, which is not bad. Then jump right back in for the sell on a 5-minute. You see, NZD checks off on Monday for 2 trades. Okay, all right, let's go to Tuesday. This is Tuesday. All right, so I would say this is our demand zone here. This is demand zone. This is a break of structure. We have gaps in the market. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah. Got gaps in the market, which are right here. This is a gap. So let's see what happened. Let's press play. We wait for the market to come to the demand zone. If we don't get a setup, we move on. We don't trade that day. And that's just how that goes. Okay, let's see what happened. Hold on here. All right, let's see if we stay in this zone and get a trade. Let's see. Okay, so it is out of our trading time. Yeah, New York session is over with, but let's see if the trade still plays out. Let's just see. Let's go for a long position. We would have got in right there. Stop loss. Stop loss would have been right below this last low. We will be aiming for this area here, which there is clearly a supply right there. Be informed. So let's just see what happened. This is out of our trading time, but the trade fell over into Asian session. So let's see what happened here. Playing around, very slow. Okay, stopped out. That was a loser. but that was out of our trading time, so I'm not even sure if I would have been looking at the market at that time. But yeah, that was a loser. Let's keep going. Liquidity grab, possibly. Yeah, let's speed it up here. Let's go. All right, New York session. Okay, we in New York session. Let's see what we can do. All right, so I would say this is a demand zone. We see aggressive buying out of this area, out of this consolidation right here. Aggressive buying, break of structure right here. All right, let's see. Ooh, it disrespected the zone, very much so. So once that happens and the candle goes below our zone, we automatically take that demand off. It's invalid, it's not tradable. All right, so we find another zone right here, which is supply. Okay, let's see here. That's supply. Let's see what happens. This is considered supply because there's aggressive selling right here. So we're waiting for the market to go back into the supply zone, tap it, and continue down. So let's see what happens. Oh, a lot of foolishness. Whoa, what was this day? A Wednesday? Yeah. It looks like this would have been a no trade day for sure, because this supply got disrespected and the demand got disrespected. So let's take that zone off. Let's see what happened. Okay, so right here, look, this is demand. Let's just mark it up and see what happened. There's demand, but it looks like our trading time is over. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the next day, which is Thursday. All right, New York session has started. Let's see what we can get on this good Thursday, February 2nd. Let's see what NZD throws out. Consolidating. All right, there we go. Supply has been formed. Supply has been formed because there was aggressive selling coming out of this area. So let's see if the market comes back and give us a entry opportunity. Okay, within this area, look, we have something else. We have multiple supply zones. Okay, so let's see. This is one. This is one, which it looks like they were making smaller zones on this good Thursday. So let's mark these up, see what happened here. Eventually the market is coming back up here to tap this supply zone. Okay, maybe not today, but it's gonna do it. So yeah, so this supply here was formed. The market broke structure right here. Okay, came back into the zone. We got in the trade right here for a short position. Stop loss right above the last high, aiming for this zone here. That's what we've been aiming for. Let's see what happens. Okay, tapped it right at 5 o'clock. So we'll take that. That was a W. All right. So that's 2 wins for the week, I believe. 2 wins for the week. Yeah. So we 3 and let me see. 2 and 3. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and lost 1. So we 3 and 1. 3 and 1 for the week. All right. So let's go to Friday. Friday was NFP. I don't think that's a trade day for us. But let's just see what happened. Let's see what happened on NFP for NZD USD. Ooh, look at NFP. Oh, wow. NFP drop NZD for how many pips? 91. Oh, it's not too drastic. But yeah. Oh, look at that. Look what happened after the NFP. Let's see. After NFP, we got this supply that was formed. Okay. Supply was formed. Break of structure. Boom. Short position. After this last candle was broken, it's right there. Stop loss right there. Aiming for this last low, which is 32 pips. Okay. That was a W. Another one on NFP. Okay, so for the week, we ended up winning 4, losing 1 on NZD. Wow. All right. That's good. Okay. I would say supply and demand works on NZD USD. That was good. Okay. Let's pick one other random pair. It's a CAD pair. CAD what? JPY. All right. Let's do it. All right. Let's just pick a random day. All right. Make it small. Erase drawings. All right. Replay mode right here. Replay mode. That's a Monday right here. Let's start the week. Okay. Okay, let's see. This is Monday. Let's slow it down a bit. All right, Monday, JPY, CAD JPY. I see some minor levels forming, but nothing too crazy, you know. Okay, so I guess we have a breaker structure here, right here. All right, I guess this is aggressive buying on this pair. This pair is moving real slow. Real slow. It's demand. Okay. Let's see what we get here. All right. The zone got disrespected. Seems like. Let's see what happened. Yeah. Let's keep going. Oh, CAD JPY moving real ugly. Okay. I see some supply forms outside of our side of my trading zone. What time this trade? Oh, so this pair don't move during New York session. It moves in the Asian session. But let's keep watching it. I never looked at this pair before. So, but yeah, in Asian session, demand was formed. Okay. and you would have took a long position after the break of the candle and aimed for this area over here, okay, which it hit for 26 pips. Stop loss would have been right there. Okay, all right, that's Asian session, so let's delete this. All right, let's go. We're looking at this pair in New York session to see what it does, but I seen that movement around what time? 8 o'clock. Okay, this is London session about to open. Don't move too much. It's really consolidating. Yeah, this is London session, really consolidating. All right, I seen something just form here. What was this? All right, we have some supply form right at the beginning of New York session. So if we would have took this trade, all right, a short position right here, stop loss right above, and we would have aimed for this low right here. Okay, how many pips is that? 12. Woo de woo, 12 pips. I don't know about this pair here, but we're gonna keep going for the week. Okay, so yeah, look, I would have considered this demand right here. Yes, I would have. If I was trading this pair and looking at it, I would have considered this demand, and I would have marked it up, and this would have been my breaker structure right here. Aggressive buying right here, okay, from this area, waiting for the market to retest it, which it disrespected it really with that real big bearish candle. Okay, so let's see what happened. Consolidating. New York session, this pair looks like it consolidates. Whoa. But we have some supply here, but I don't know. It looked like it would have went for a W. Barely tapped it. Barely. It didn't even tap it. Yeah, it didn't even tap it. So let's see what happens. What was that? Whoa, what the heck? 200 pips. Wow. Okay, so CAD JPY moves at nighttime, Asian session. Okay, yeah, this is not the pair for me. Okay, all right, let's X CAD JPY off. Okay, I think I'm done back testing that one. Yeah, so let's go to my pair, GU. Let's get a random chart, not my chart. GBP USD. Let's use forex.com's chart. All right, let's do it. I'm only gonna do like 2 trades because that'll be my back testing for this week. Let's see, let's start on Monday, January 16th. All right, let's see. All right. All right. New York session is just starting here. If we want to use this here demand, we could have. It's from London. I don't know if this trade works out or not, but we're gonna enter it. We're gonna aim for this last high. Stop loss right there. Aiming for this high right here. So let's see what happens. GU is consolidating on this day for sure. Almost got stopped out there. Oh, this trade here lasted all day. Oh, nah. We ain't in trades this long, realistically. I'm a scalper, and I probably would have dead that. I would have dead that trade after I was already in it over here. I would have seen it going up, not reaching it, came back down. I probably would have got out somewhere up in here. So, yeah, we wouldn't have been in that trade that long. 25 pips, yeah, that's a done deal for me. Okay, so let's continue. GU is consolidating this week's, looks like it. We're waiting for New York session. All right, there's New York session. Okay, let's mark this up. Let's see what happens. All right, so we have a demand zone right here. This would have been a long position, aiming for the last high, which was right there. Let's see what happened. Ooh, okay, that was a W. That was a W. Okay, which day is that? Tuesday. Okay, let's go to Wednesday. One trade and we done. Okay, no more. One trade and we done. All right. Ooh. Going too fast. Let's slow it down a little bit. All right. So GU is uptrending. I would say this is my break of structure right here. All right. This is my demand. So let's see if we got a trade this day. Let's see. Okay. What we would have got? We would have got in. Honestly. Long position. I would have got in right there, aiming for this last high. And my stop loss would have been right there. So yeah, I would have definitely got stopped out of this trade. So let's X that out for today, for Wednesday. Okay, yep, that was a loser. All right, so after we do a loser, we look for one more trade that day, and then if we get one, we get one. If we don't, that was just a loser for the day, and we're consolidated. So yeah, it should be going, the market should be closing. Yep, so that was a loser day for sure. Let's go to Thursday, next day. Supply and demand happened all day. Okay, let me just show you. During London session, there's a demand form in this consolidation. You know, and the long position could have been entered after this one. Realistically, yeah. So, and you could have been aiming for that 17 pips. Okay, yeah, stop loss would have been down here, so you would have had to go for a 1-to-1, 20 pips. Okay, that was London session. I wouldn't have took that, would have been sleep. So yeah, we're in New York session. Let's slow it down a little bit. See if we can get some aggressive buying. Okay, so look, I would say this is my breaker structure here. This is my demand zone right here. Let's see if we got a trade Thursday. Another breaker structure just happened. So it's just breaking structure to the upside, creating small demands, very small demands. So let's mark up this one. Very small demands happening. But GU is continuously breaking structure to the upside. So let's just see what happens on Thursday. Thursday is consolidating and consolidating. Still breaking structure. No retest, no entry, no trade. And that's just that. That was a dub. It tapped out of the zone just a little bit. But long position right after the last low. Quick 12 pips. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's keep going here. And that was out of our trading time. That was Asian session. No ma'am. Okay, London session. I see you. Supply. Okay, I see you. Supply zone was formed, and it's a short. Tapped into it, got in after the break of the last high. Yeah, let's aim for this area. Let's see what happened. Okay, that's New York session. Boom. That was a dub for London. Okay, that was a W for London session. Let's go. Let's see what New York brings. Okay. Demand here and also a demand below it. You can clearly see the breaker structure. Okay, breaker structure, breaker structure. I don't have to mark it up because it's clear as day. So let's see what happened. Yeah, that was a W for sure. Long position right after tap of this, a break right here. Stop loss here. We aiming for this last high. Tapped it. What, 19 pips? That's a W. I'll take it. Scalpers. Scalpers mindset. Yep. Alright, so that's Friday and we're done for the week. So what we got on GU? 1, 2, 3 wins for the week, 4 wins for the week, 1 loss. 1 loss or 2 losses? What was it? Yeah, 1 loss over here. Alright, and then yeah, it was some supply and demands formed out of my trading time, which was London and Asian, but GU is throwing the setups. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press that bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop. This is my first back testing video on my channel. Watch your girl work. Supply and demand. Okay, love.